Hi everyone, welcome back. Thank you for watching. Today I wanted to talk about sort of a typical day of Airbnb for me. I've got staff set up remotely, actually near my guest houses. I have two guest houses near Hakone, Japan, which is a beautiful area if you ever come here. But I live in Kawasaki, which is quite far away, but I have a staff of three, and we communicate through line message, and we also use the DeepL translator, which is fantastic. Airbnb also has great translation software. I suspect they're using DeepL. They're not using Google. So today I was working on some other things. I'm setting up a website for my YouTube and Udemy classes, etc. And I got an email from a guest, and the hot water's not working. Uh-oh, gotta work on that. When you get an inquiry or get a problem from a guest, you're not quite sure if maybe they don't know how to use something or there really is something wrong. So I try to very politely kind of suss out the problem, and is there really something wrong, or is it something as simple as no gas delivery from the gas company, or is some button broken, or what have you. So try to suss that out. And the guests today happen to be French, and their English is pretty good, but it's not perfect, and I suspect they're using translation software themselves, because the English was a bit strange. And no problem, that's the way it goes. Let's see. And anyway, so I contacted one of my assistants. I phoned her, and she contacts a company that we use. We have a couple of companies that we use to fix things. If one can't go, then maybe the other one can. And so one gentleman's going to go and check out the water heater. There's a water heater in the shower, and another one in the kitchen area. They're I think they're on maybe the same system, but I'm not sure. And so I'm going to check that out. And so the guests haven't been able to have a shower or use hot water at all today, so that's not good. We are in the hospitality business, and we're trying to compete with very good hotels. So I have another guest house nearby, which is actually nicer than the one they're staying in. And I'm thinking of offering them an upgrade and just telling them, would you mind pretty please moving to the other guest house? It's actually a lot nicer, and I won't charge you any extra. We'll keep it the same. The other guest house is beautiful. It's a Canadian house that came by ship to Japan from Canada, and they're staying in a nice place. I like it, but it's kind of a cottage near a river in an American style, and it's cute. It's great, but I think they'll be very happy if I upgrade them. So I'm trying to fix the problem, and I'm trying to take advantage of the problem to make them happier than how they are now. They've been very polite. They've been so kind. But yeah, it must suck not to be able to have a shower or have hot water, and you're stuck in another country dealing with this stuff. So that's how I handle it. And I just wanted to give that to you as some advice that you could use. If you go to some of the forums on Airbnb, it's surprising what some of the hosts are talking about. Really basic things like, should I supply them with toilet paper? I mean, to me, that's kind of a basic one. So if you're wondering about that, maybe you shouldn't be doing Airbnb. Basically, I think you're in the hospitality business, so you bend over backwards to keep people happy. And there's a point. Some guests can be a challenge. They can ask for too much, but in general, people are very nice, and these guests have been great. They're just really polite and everything, and I want to make sure they have a good stay. I feel badly about it. So just my take, my day to day. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed listening. Thank you.